Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Khurana, host on Intellect, and what you see here is the Redmi 7, which has been just launched by Xiaomi at around 8,000 rupees, and there are two variants available with the 232 and 332 configuration of RAM and internal memory. As you can see, this phone comes with a dot notch display at front. It comes with an 8 megapixel front facing camera, and there is a 12+2 AI enabled rear camera. It comes with this dual tone gradient finish. It has a Snapdragon 632 processor, which is same as what you get on the Redmi Y3. The display does look quite good. This is an HD plus display. The display color resolution, color production, saturation, etc. all look fine. Let me give you a quick camera demo of this. So let's take a selfie. And also let's take a picture with the rear facing camera just to show you. This phone comes with decent amount of performance. It comes with a moderately good CPU. It comes with a good set of cameras. This is the 8 megapixel front facing camera selfie, as you can see here. The screen response is good and the phone looks quite slim. It is offered in multiple colors. The one you see here is red and it is a dual tone gradient sort of finish. They call it smoke finish. So this is looking like black from the top and red here from the bottom, and this is how it looks physically. There's a fingerprint scanner at the rear and the phone does look quite okay. So this is the first look. You tell us, how do you find this phone, and would you go for a Redmi 7 at this price point, or would you increase your budget and go for a Note 7, Redmi Note 7, or maybe a Y3? Do let us know in the comments section. Thanks a lot for watching. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Do subscribe to our channel.